Hello everyone. So today in our mains program we will be covering one topic that is from GS 1. So the question is about megalithic culture. Now megalithic culture is the Iron Age culture of South India analyzed. Now the term is megalithic and it is called as the Iron Age culture of South India. Now we all have studied in our static course that is Iron Age came from Vedic, that is 1500 1000 later Vedic 1000 BC, later Vedic, not in early Vedic. Now, in when it comes to North India, the Iron Age, the iron was introduced in the later Vedic. Now, the question is not about that. The question is the Iron Age culture of South India. It is nothing but the megalithic culture. So, in the intro, we'll give a timeline, that is the megalithic culture expanded from 1000 BC to around 200 or 100 BC. Now, this culture occurred in the Deccan Plateau, Vindhyan, Aravalli ranges, northeast, some parts of Kashmir. But this culture of South India had a much larger chronological span. It is called as the Iron Age culture of South India. So, in intro, we'll give the timeline, we give the expansion. Now, coming to the analysis, now what is called as the Iron Age culture of South India? So, to give some facts. Now, megalith means what? Megalith means large stones. So, megaliths refer to the burials made up of large stones in graveyards away from the habitation area. So, now this is a unique point because the burials were away from the habitation area, which was not the case in Neolithic, which was not the case in Neolithic. In Neolithic, in the habitation area, the burials were there. Now, in megalithic, it is away. Fine. The site of Hallur, that is Karnataka, gave 1000 BC as the earliest phase of this culture. Other sites like Naikund, Takalghat at Vidarbha, Payampalli, very famous place at Tamil Nadu, gives evidence of megalithic culture. The culture realized the full use of iron metal, and the latter was used to a very large extent in agriculture. Now, iron was used in agriculture. In a way, it gave an impetus to the agriculture. Utensils, weapons, carpentry tools like axes, chisels, etc. Iron objects have been found in megalithic burials right from Nagpur down to Adichanallur, that is Tamil Nadu, far south. Some of the megalith burial types are associated with specific regions. For instance, Kodaikals and Topicals. The Kodaikals, the burial types, it is a name given with respect to a specific region in Kerala, and Topicals were called in Tamil Nadu. Fine. So it can help you in prelims question also. Fine. There is also evidence of local iron smelting at Payampalli, that is in Tamil Nadu, which is a part of this particular culture, megalithic culture. The range of iron artifacts recovered indicate that the megalithic people practiced a wide range of occupations, which include carpentry, bamboo craftsmen, goldsmith, bead making, etc. For example, sites like Kodumanal or Mahurjhari. If you do not remember the name, it's okay. 1 to 2 names are fine with the mains answer. It's not required that every fact we have to give a name. 2 to 3 names are enough. The megalithic culture of South India is overlapped with the painted grey ware PGW of Northern India, which is the Iron Age culture of North India, that is Vedic. In Vedic, we have PGW culture, that is painted grey ware culture, which we studied in our Vedic static part. Now, in conclusion, from the above facts, we come to know that the megalithic culture of South India is indeed laid a foundation in the history of Indian peninsula when it comes to iron. So that's how you have to write this answer with proper facts. That's it. Thank you.